My students chose European cities that I should travel to this summer. 5 cities, 5 days. I also challenged myself to complete 5 tasks in each city. Share an overrated tourist attraction, eat a traditional meal, choose a beautiful building, pick up a generic souvenir, and find a dragon. So let's get started here in Paris! Yeah! Whoop, 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 whoop. So it seems that places here in Paris are opening up a little bit later, which is fine. It's about 10 a.m. at the moment, but I just found it kind of surprising here. I'm sure there's little bakeries and whatnot, but even back home, places open up at 7 a.m. to serve brekkie, even places like Canberra. Anyway, I'm gonna go find something to eat and then we can get things sorted. We're currently on one of the busiest roads here in Paris, and I can see something that we can tick off straight away, which is getting a generic souvenir, because you can pretty much get them anywhere here. Let's go pick something out. Okay, so I like to get something that's light, practical, and something that I can actually use and easy to pack. So we went for this little Paris magnet / bottle opener. Not too bad. We can tick that one off the 5 city challenge list. All right. Just heading up a little bit further because there's something incredible here in Paris that I think everyone should see. Check it out. Isn't it amazing? Wait, I meant this. The Arc de Triomphe, commissioned in 1806 and taking over 30 years to build. Napoleon promised that his soldiers would walk straight through the arch from returning from war. I'm going to name this the most beautiful building in Paris for me. Now I know it's a monument, but technically a building has to have a roof and an enclosed area, which this does have because it's got stairs and it's got an elevator. So yeah, most beautiful building in Paris. We can tick that one off as well. All right, 2 down, 3 to go. All right, guys, welcome to the Louvre here in Paris, which is what I'm going to be rating as my overrated tourist destination. But hear me out, because there's kind of a caveat. Yes, it's got some incredible paintings from the early 18th century from incredible Roman and French and worldwide artists, essentially. Paintings such as the Raft of the Medusa, Liberty Leading the People, and the Coronation of Napoleon. But the one I think you can guess is the Mona Lisa, the most famous painting in the Louvre, and the most overrated. It's kind of the size of a Post-it note. If you've ever bought tickets, you got to line up, it's shoulder to shoulder, and it's not as impressive as some of the other ones that I've just named. So I'm naming that my most overrated tourist attraction, I guess if I can say that one, and you can tick that one, or we can tick that one off the bucket list. All right, on to the next one. Sorry, the exit's this way. So the waiter's just recommended a bottle, and now we've got the menu. All right, so from what I can see so far, there's like escargot, which is snails, some French soups, saumon craflin, and a steak. This is the French beer. Looks good. Cheers. Oh, that's good. Whew. Oh, and it's very strong. Damn it. I'll have one. So I pretty much just asked the waiter, and he said escargot is fine. Yep, that's Parisian. Let's give it a go. I'll show you when it comes out. All right, guys, the first dish has arrived, and it's the snails, or escargot. Check it out. And I guess I got to use these tongs to eat it. First snail.
That's what the little sucker looks like.
All right, let's try. It's all right. It's good. Cliche for me to say, tastes like chicken. Not bad. Okay, so the main dish has just arrived, andouillette. It's got a lot of fries, some mustard sauce, and kind of like a big sausage piece there. I'll give it a try, let you know how it is. Here we go. Bon appetit. So it's essentially all the offcuts, I assume. It's got like intestines, I think a little bit of liver in there. It's good, but I probably wouldn't order it again. All right, so that place wasn't too bad. We can now tick off the traditional French dish. I'll probably give the main dish a 5 out of 10. The escargot, the snails, I might give them, I think I'll go 7 out of 10. And the beer was a 9 out of 10. All right, now we gotta find a dragon. Why do I save the hardest for last?
Is that a dragon?
Not too much luck yet, but maybe inside.
But your value is something you have to find for yourself.
No luck so far, no dragons in here.
My life is worthless without it. Then what am I?
No luck in the Petit Palais, but I can see a big bridge here with some golden statues. Could be in luck to find the dragon. Okay guys, it's about 6:30 now. I have been looking for a dragon all day and have not found it anywhere. I even tried Googling some and not really much luck there, or the ones that used to be there are no longer there. And ones that they thought that they were dragons were kind of like lions with wings. Essentially what I've done, I've, very cliche of me, but I've come to Chinatown to see if I can find a dragon. Sounds terrible, I know, but desperate times. Let's see how we go. Okay. So, whew. Okay, it's been a long day. I'm really feeling it. Paris is huge. I haven't seen a dragon anywhere. Like no signs, no pictures, no words. I went into a few grocery stores. I thought this was a genius plan, coming to Chinatown area, but maybe and it was pretty far out too. Like you had to go pretty far south. Anyway, oh woe is me. What I'm gonna try and do, I'm going to go around the far block and then come back in those couple of streets and see how I go. And then maybe this might be the first time we don't complete a challenge. But let's hope not. Come on, Paris, you gotta pull through. Okay, so here we go. Gosh, I'm so tired. All right, guys, so you won't believe this. Where I was just sitting, like literally just there, if you look and turn a little bit, there's some graffiti on the wall, and there's graffiti of a dragon. We're gonna go take a closer look so I can prove it to you. It's a dragon, yes. It's the most beautiful dragon I ever did see. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Miracles do exist. Okay, so now we've got to choose a new card, but it's 7 o'clock and I'm exhausted. So I'm gonna go home and we're gonna choose a new card at home. I'll try and think of a new way to do it. All right. Dragon.
Yourself. So you must take care of yourself.
Guys, we are home. I've got all the cards here now, and I didn't have a grand plan, but I was just thinking that I lay them all out and we pretty much just flip a coin and see where it lands. They're all face down, and the idea is to pretty much, yeah, flip it, land it. Can you see these ones? It's not evenly spread. So the idea is to flip a coin and then go to a destination. Here's the coin. Wish me luck. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay, so it landed on this one, and then it fell off, and it's between these two. But I think it's probably best to just go on what it landed on. So let's slide them all away. I think that's only fair. So here are all the other cards. And da-da-da-da, we are going to, oh yeah, Prague. Woohoo! Prague. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, sorry, I also forgot to give a little shout out to Kento, who recommended Prague. Thank you so much for that, Kento. I've never been to Prague, but let's see what it's like. All right, we're going to Prague. And there we have it, guys, our 5-city challenge here in Paris. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video in Czechia, Prague.